Hey everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we have learned how to set up our stream clients. Now it's time to use it whenever we are ready to use a consumer for the publishers. So there were two functions, handleRoomUsers and handleUserConnected. These two functions are responsible for adding the stream clients whenever first we receive the list of user as soon as we join a meeting conference or a room or whatever. And the next one is when we are inside the chat room or inside the conference and a new user is joining. So let's go with handle room users first. What we have to do, first we have to run caching. We simply create a users list. We want to extract the list of users from the incoming message from room. So to do that, we use the Gson class and we simply use from JSON function. We want to pass message that's data to string, and for the blueprints or the class, we want to use users list class, which I'll create in a second. I'll just copy and paste it inside my utils package. It's like that. It will have a list of user models with username and user IDs. Let's import it here. And down below, we want to fetch through the users list that we just extracted from the JSON object that is being derived from the server, and use the users of it and add a for each, get the user from it. Now for each user, we want to create a stream client. Simple as that. So for each user that are publishing stream inside the chat room or inside the video conference, we want to add a consumer to it. So to do that, let's create the stream client. We want to pass WebRTC factory, Gson. And for the callback, we simply want to use the anonymous class. The callback is going to be streamClients.streamCallback. Now let's implement the members. Okay, so whenever a new stream is being ready, we want to add this to the media streams map as we had before to handle the whole streams state inside our room screen. We want to add it like this, username to media stream. Simple as that. So whenever the user is disconnected, we want to first remove the stream clients media stream map and the value of it. We want to remove it, the username. And there are one more thing that we want to get track of stream clients. So whenever we, for example, close this ViewModel, we want to call the disconnects on the peer connections and end the connection to others. So let's create this variable on top of the class. It's going to be private val stream clients map. It's going to be mutable map of string maps to stream clients. So down here, whenever we created a new stream client, we also want to first start the client with user.user ID and user.username. And also we want to add it to stream clients map with the ID of user.username, and its value is going to be the stream client itself. So down here, when the stream is disconnected or the client is disconnected, we want to remove it from the streamClientMap. So what we did here, we have a state of the media streams map. This state is for like videos of the participants, and this one is for the consumers that we are creating to receive from the media server. So that one is for the handling the initial state of the chat room, and this one is for handling the new user connection. So we will create a client with StreamClient, simple as that, or TC, Gson, and the object. StreamClient, StreamClient callback. Let's implement the members. So whenever the stream is ready, we want to add it to media stream map like this. Username to media stream. Whenever the stream is disconnected, we want to remove it from streamClientMap. Also remove it from media stream map like this. So whenever we created it, we want to also start client with message that's data to string, and also message dot sender to string. The data is going to be user ID and the sender is going to be username. And after that, we want to add these to a streamClientMap with the value of message.sender.toString, and its value is going to be clients. And down below inside the ViewModel, we want to override the onCleared function of the ViewModel. Since we press back, for example, on the room screen, we want to clear the ViewModel variables. For example, stream publisher has to be destroyed. And streamClientMap for each, and each client should be destroyed. Also, signaling sockets should be disconnected, and the RTC factory should be undestroyed. So let's run the application and we should be pretty much good to go. Okay, we are permitting the permissions on the first device. Let's use user 1 or room 1 and user 1. Let's join to the room. You can see the state is connected for device 1, and let's write room 1 again and user 2 join a room. You will see that this one initially loads the current streams of the room, which is user 1, and its own local stream, which is user 2. And if I move this camera here, you will see that this simulator notifies that the other member is moving or doing some camera interaction, and same goes for this one. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. This is more like conceptual course, so you can modify the UI and decide how the streams preview would stick together next to each other. You can add also the chat part to this one, so to send the signals with the commands of chat and broadcast to other members of the room. Pretty much simple. So I didn't want to make it harder for you guys. But I hope you have learned something from this concept, handling video conference using SFU media server. So pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Also, for helping the community, do not forget to like my YouTube videos. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you will share the data to your friends and help the community. By the way, if you want to have consultancy about your these kinds of projects and if you want to hire me, let me know. You can also email me or drop a comment in the comment section below. Again, thank you for watching. See you everyone.